It's all tutorials 123 for part 3 of the Battlefront mod tools series tutorials. And so today I'm gonna teach you how to add objects and add textures to the ground, and how to raise and lower the terrain, and also a website that can help you on other stuff. So to start out, you're gonna go to My Computer, C Drive, Battlefront Mod Tools, and you should have your data. If you don't have your world, just go back to my other tutorials and start from part 1. But right now you're gonna go to your data and 3-letter name. Then you're gonna go to worlds and oh, actually no, you're not gonna do that. You're gonna go to zero editor on your data, and this is what it looks like, and you're gonna click load to load your world, and you're gonna go to your world file by going to mod tools, your data file, worlds, your 3-letter name, world 1, and that's your world file, and you're gonna click open, and then you're gonna click select all down here and build accurate object collision, and then click OK, and then it'll load up. I already added a couple things here from the Renvar sets, but I'll show you how to get those in there first. Okay, and when you first get in here, you want to know how to move, and you can toggle up, down, left, and right with the arrow keys, and then to move around, it's like the arrow keys, but W is forward, S is backwards, A is left, and D is right. So you can use that to go up and look down at your world. There we go. And that's what I have so far. And as you can tell, the objects are pretty small when you're looking at them, but they're actually really big. So to add objects, you want to go to Battlefront Mod Tools, Assets, Worlds, and then copy one of these worlds. That's what I do. All you really need is the object in the mushes folder, but just copy the whole thing for now. I'm going to copy Genosis and just go back and paste into your worlds file from your data. Okay, and I'll do that real quick. And once that happens, you can go back here and click not load. Go to objects on the edit mode, then browse, and then worlds, and you'll see Genosis. Open that up. Go to objects, and let's just open cave, and then I'll build collision, and then click place, and you'll see it right here, and left click, and you can place it any way you want, and you can just mess around with that. And to move the objects, click select, and you can select it, and A, S, and D is the ones that you want to move. A, S, and then D. My bad, actually it's Z, X, and C at the bottom row. So Z, you can move it, you can turn it upside down and backwards, and just mess around with that by left clicking, right clicking, and then center clicking or whatever you want to call it. And then X, that basically does the same thing, but it doesn't. It does it at one spot, but you can just experiment with it and you can figure it out. And then C is you can move um left and right. If you hold C, I'll show you what that does. So you can do that. And yeah, just experiment with that, and that helps you move around your objects. And also one more thing that I found out, if you go back to place, and you don't wanna place it when it's just going straight up and down. You can turn it by right clicking, and you can turn it before you even place it, like that. And so then right click again, and you can move it around like that. And so once you have all that, I'm going to show you how to add textures. You go to a blank slot. There's 15 of them when you click textures. Then go to browse. And you're going to go back to Geonosis and Mush. And these are all the textures you can use. And I'm just going to put sky, I guess. And so you're going to click paint and left click, and you can do that. And right now, I'm not gonna screw that up because I already have some textures. So I'm gonna click undo and I'll undo that. And so that's how you add textures. You can just keep on adding them. And then for the height, you wanna go to height, raise, and width and depth. You can change how big you want it to be. And then the shape you want it to be, I'm just gonna keep it on square. To raise it, you left click, and I'll slowly raise it, as you can see. And then left click to lower it. And then, yeah, that's how you do that. And so, one more quick website is GameToast.com. You can go to ask some questions. Just type in GameToast.com. And sign up right here, create an account, and then once you have that, go to forums, and then log in, and you can read the rules and everything, and I'll talk more about that later. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.